Panasonic Countertop with inverter technology and genius sensor microwave oven, 1.2 cft, black. Panasonic microwave. This 1200-watt high-power, 1.2 cubic foot capacity black countertop microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time. Power consumption 1480 watts. Compact design. This countertop microwave with 13.4-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Internal dimensions: HXWXD 9 and 15/16 inch x 13 and 15/16 inch x 14 and 3/8 inch. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor. Built-in automatic Genius sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 12 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock. Keep warm feature. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies, or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. Control panel membrane. Inverter technology for even cooking and delivering delicious flavor and inverter turbo defrost for quick defrosting. 1200 watts at high power. One-touch Genius sensor cook and reheat for automatic cooking settings and even keep warm feature. 13.5 turntable. Delay start and timer. More or less controlled. Quick minute. Popcorn key. Measures 15 and 13/16 D, x 20 and 11/16 W, x 12 and 1/4 H, 25.3 pounds, black. Upper left corner of the door has a small indentation to allow the door to open smoothly and is completed at the factory. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.